Welcome to Take Your Hair, tie a ponytail, make a gap, put your hair through that gap, tie a rubber band in the lower as well as the upper end, roll the rubber band upwards and secure it tightly with a back pin. Take your hair, divide it into two, then make pigtails out of both the parts, roll it and then you're done. Take your hair, make a ponytail out of that part and divide the ponytail into two halves. Tie one half with a rubber band and then attach both the parts with that middle part again and again to make it look like layers. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, make pigtails, then take the lower halves and again make pigtails out of it, crisscross it and then tie it with rubber band. Take two parts of your hair, tie half ponytail, then take hair from all the sides of the head and then tie again ponytail. It should look like a knot, then keep repeating the same process until it looks like this. Take two parts of your hair, divide it into two parts, make a high ponytail and then along with that ponytail, keep attaching small parts of the hair from the sides of all the parts of your head just like this, making it look like simple plaits. Keep doing the same process until it looks like this. Then attach all the parts quickly with a rubber band. Make four parts of your hair and attach one part with the other in the form of plait. Divide your hair into three parts, tie all the three parts in the form of a ponytail, then attach your favorite rubber band and tie plaits along the length, roll the plaits and then you're done. Make half ponytail of your hair leaving four sections of the hair loose, then tie those four sections in the form of plaits, roll the lower end together upwards in the form of a circle and secure it tightly with the favorite colored back pin. Thank you for watching.